Welcome to the Waddle Studio. Today we will be reviewing the Lego City Set Ice Cream Truck. This set comes with 200 pieces and the set number is 60253. The recommended age for this set is 5 plus and it retails for $20 US. This set comes with two minifigures. The minifigures in this set are the Ice Cream Lady and the customer who has a purple skateboard, blue helmet, and alternative tailpiece, some money, and a pet dog. The main thing of the set is the ice cream truck. On the outside there was a menu. On the top of the ice cream truck there was a giant popsicle that can move up and down. One of the coolest features of this set is that there was a slidable window. In the inside of the truck, there was a cash register and a storage place for ice cream and popsicles. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!